friends, welcome back to my channel Nita's Fab Interiors. As you know, the Christmas is approaching. So today I bought for you a miniature of a Christmas tree and a wreathling. So let's begin. Take a light green color A4 sheet and make a quarter circle on it. Then cut it. Bring the two corners together and paste it with the help of glue. Now our cone is ready. Take a green color glitter sheets and cut the strip approximately 2 cm from one side to make its thin leaves. I have made 2 cm guidelines to cut the leaves for your reference. You can cut it without the guidelines also. After cutting it, it will look like this. Paste these strips on the cone, but take care, we have to start it gluing from the bottom, not from the top. Gluing part is complete. To give our tree a little real touch, we will pull out the leaves outward in this way. For its decoration, I am taking this yellow color lace and start gluing it from the top to the bottom. On the top, I am pasting the red color big star. And for apples, I am using the red color decorative stone. You can also use other decorative materials of your choice also. Christmas tree is ready. Take pink color A4 size glitter sheet. Now make 1.5 cm line from both the side and leaving the space 6 cm in between, and cut rectangle of size 29 cm by 9 cm like this. Cut the center part 5 mm apart with each other. After cutting, it will look like this. Cut 1 cm from both the side and then fold it and cut it from the center to make it 2 equal parts. Take one part and apply hot glue gun on one side and join it. Insert the extended part inside the other side like this and glue it. Now take the second part and do the same with it also. 2 rings are ready. Take a square 5 cm by 5 cm in size of any color, like I am taking a blue color. Turn the square and make 2 diagonal lines and cut it in such a way that from the center all of them is connected with each other. Apply the glue in the center and fold the opposite section in this way. Cut the remaining part in form of lace. Apply glue in the center and paste it to form a bow. Paste the bow on the wreath. Now your Christmas tree and the wreath ring are ready. Have a look. As you can see, this Christmas tree is made up of glitter sheet. So in the night, it will shine wonderfully. If you decorate your kids' room with this, they will surely going to love it. So, Merry Christmas to all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video with your family and the friends. Till then, Namaste. Better living begins at home.